Hey guys, welcome back to Manuel Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I'm the owner of Manuel Pura. I run this business alongside my husband Daniel from our flat in London. So in today's video, we're going to be making a hair cream. My hair needs moisturizing. I ran out of my Camille Rose almond dry twisting butter, and I went onto Amazon to order one, and I realized that they have like a detangling cream that is green, and I wanted to purchase that. But going to read the ingredients, I realized that I already have those ingredients in the house already. So I just thought, let me just save myself a few pounds. I make the cream myself. So let me show you guys how I make this hair cream, and I will be showing you when I am using it on my hair at some stage. Okay, so let's make our leave-in detangling cream. We're going to start off with our oil phase, and for our oil phase we need IPM, it's isopropyl myristate, and we're making 150 grams of this. We need 3 grams of this. And we're using BTMS 25 for moisture. If you have BTMS 50, use that. I don't have BTMS 50, hence I'm using BTMS 25. We're using this at 12 grams and at 8%. If you are using BTMS 50, use it at 5%. So we need 12 grams of BTMS 25. And cetyl alcohol 3 grams. We're using this at 2%. So we need 3 grams. We need 12 grams of castor oil. We're using this at 8% as well. So we need 12 grams. Avocado oil, we need 7.5 grams. Using it at 5%. So now this is all our oil phase, our phase 2. We're going to place this in a water bath. So for our water phase, we are using polyquaterium 7, amazing benefit for your hair. And we're using this at 2%, so we need 3 grams. Sodium lactate, we're using it at 1%, so we need 1.5 grams. So glycerin, we need 6 grams, we're using it at 4%. So 6 grams of glycerin. And we're going to add our distilled water. We're using this at 60% and we need 90 grams. So now we're going to place these 2 ingredients in a water bath and measure out our cool down phase ingredient. So we're going to start off with our fragrance. We're using raspberry vanilla for our scent. We need 3 grams and we're using this at 2%. I want a really lovely smell from this hair cream. Then 1.5 grams of our preservative. The recommended usage range from a manufacturer is at 1%, so we need 1.5 grams. We need 3 grams of panthenol. We're using this at 2% as well, so 3 grams of panthenol. We're using silk amino acid at 1%, so we need 1.5 grams. And then we're using wheat protein liquid as well. We're using this at 2%, so we need 3 grams. Now this is all the cool down phase ingredients. We're going to set this to the side, and once our oil phase and our water phase has reached 75 degrees, we're going to bring that back and then mix together before adding this. Okay, so both of our ingredients have reached a temperature that's about the same, so we're going to mix it together. So I'm going to start with my immersion blender that's been sanitized, and we're going to pour our water phase into our oil phase. I prefer doing it this way. I don't do it the other way around because water is easier to just pour out of the container without leaving a streak. So we're gonna just immerse this together. We're gonna do this for at least 30 seconds. While this is still hot, I'm going to add my color. I wanted to give this a really nice fun color, and I'm almost trying to imitate the Camille Rose Detangling cream. So I'm just gonna add this and blend and see if it gives me the color that I want. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the color. That should be fine. I don't need it to be too colorful. Not the green I wanted, but it'll work. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this the immersion blender, and I'm just gonna stir this down every maybe 5 minutes as it cools down. I'm just using a water bath with some ice in it to speed up the cooling process, because I am actually in a hurry today, but if you're not in a hurry, you can just allow for it to cool down normally for you guys. So I'm just gonna keep mixing as it cools. So I need this to drop below 40 degrees before I can add my cool down phase ingredients, and at the moment it's currently 53 degrees. And because of this process, it is cooling down pretty quickly. And I do this a lot, especially when I have somewhere to be and I need my formulation to cool. So it is dropping pretty rapidly. I'm going to switch to my spatula now. Okay, let me set this water to the side and let's clean the spatula. I think it's at the desired temperature that I want it to be, but you're never sure. So I'm just going to clean this, mix well, and I will check the temperature again. Okay, so let's just mix this. Okay, let's check the temperature. It's still below 40, so we're just gonna wait a little bit before adding our cool down phase ingredients. So I'm just gonna pop this back here and just stir, and that should just speed up the process somewhat. So it has dropped below 40 degrees, guys. So I'm going to add the cool down phase ingredients now. And because of the wheat protein, it's giving us that brown color there. So that could affect our color, but it shouldn't be not by that much. So let's mix in the cool down phase ingredients. I was going to place this into a bottle, a pump bottle, but I think I'm going to place this in a jar instead. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Okay, let's place this into our container. Let me clean this first, actually. Hold on. So I've just finished making this hair cream. The scent that I went for, I'm glad I did because it smells so good. I went for a strawberry vanilla scent. And I think sometimes when you're making stuff at home, you want to have a nice scent for especially something that you're using on your hair. There's this plane right above us at the moment and it's so loud. What's going on? And I don't want to close the window because it's super hot. It doesn't seem like it's moving, so I'm going to try and reduce the in some way. Oh my days. Okay, I can see it now. Anyway, so I've just finished making this hair cream. It smells so good and I love the color. The true color really came out and I'm looking forward to using it on my hair. I will try and make the almond dry twist and butter at some stage. Don't know when yet. But yeah, loved making it. It was so easy to make. 3 phases. Took me, if I wasn't filming, it probably would have taken me 15 minutes to do because I was filming. Of course, it took a little bit longer. The plane's back round again. I'm going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoy the hair cream. If you're going to make it, leave a comment below. If you made it this far, subscribe to the channel. Shop our website, moisturised.com. We have a lot of hair butters on our channel, on our website. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for making it this far. Thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for liking. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.